Bill Evans, who has spent some time on that road, tells me even on a good day it looks like this. But as you can see, this does not help. Traffic really at a crawl right now because of the conditions and the snow coming on the lens there. And you can see the snow along the side there, Bill.
That's slow.
It's a mess.
That is slow.
A mess.
Yeah, and the line really is. I mean, like if you're in, Sussex County, New Jersey, you're in Rockland,
right? You're
having a great day.
Yeah. It's in what? You're
on the other side of the river. It's like the Berlin Wall. You're on the other side, and it's not good on the other side of the river because the afternoon is going to be just like that. Fairfield County, New Haven County, New London County, Suffolk County on Long Island, and Nassau County really going to get the lion's share of this system, which is a big storm in the Atlantic. Now, if this storm were closer to us, boy, everybody would be getting a lot of snow. Let's take a look outside. It's a big storm, but it is snowing here at noon, and the ferries have been working hard back and forth, I noticed. And as we go on through the rest of the afternoon, there's the Sea Streak and the other ferries making their way back and forth. We have snow that's just going to be off and on here in the city. We probably just get some wet streets and sidewalks, maybe some slippery spots. Most of it is going to be really from Brooklyn here on out toward the east, out across Long Island and coastal Connecticut. Temperature here at noontime, right around 31 degrees. The humidity has been high. We've been looking at a barometer that's been well below our mark of fair weather. It's at 2982. 30.00 is our mark of fair weather. So with the pressure low like this, the wind is going to be cranking out there, and it's been out of the northeast at 13, gusting to 18, and that's what really hurts when it comes to this flooding issue. Normal high is 40. We're going to be below that today. And we're going to be looking at what will be, snow off and on through the afternoon, maybe an inch or two from the city, from the 5 boroughs eastward here, to about 6 inches out toward the eastern end of Long Island and coastal Connecticut as well, particularly New Haven County and out toward New London. Another batch of snow comes in, and around tomorrow we're going to have 1 to 2, maybe some local spots get 3 inches of snow. And this minor flooding will be with us, just like you saw, through tomorrow because of the northeast wind holding the water in. Temperature 34 up the Hudson River Valley, 26 Bridgeport, 27 White Plains. And look at that wind coming right out of the north, right out of the northeast. This really holds this water in here and keeps it right at the coast. These are the wind gusts in the last 24 hours. 33-mile-per-hour winds at JFK and 31 at LaGuardia. So we'll have more of that wind for the afternoon out of this storm that's way out there in the Atlantic, and it makes it feel really cold with temperatures. The real feels here are in the 20s. Now, the snow line, as I mentioned, Hudson River east here through Fairfield, Nassau, Suffolk County, right around Brooklyn, Queens, we have this snow. This will continue, with the storm out of the Atlantic. It will be moving northeast. Boston's going to get about 1 foot of snow. Now, this next system is this low that'll bring snow to us tomorrow. We'll see this first batch kind of winding down tonight, getting close to those snow totals we expect, and then here comes that next batch that will be off to our west. So we'll be looking for snow showers, heavier on Long Island, windy and colder tonight, periods of snow. It's blustery and cold. Tomorrow, another accumulation of 1 to 2 inches of snow, and we'll end it with some flurries on Wednesday, and we're warm to 40 degrees on Wednesday. But look at the end of the week and the weekend. Booyah!
I don't want to.
Katie, bar the door. It's going to be 22 for the high Saturday and Sunday, 12 for the low.
Yeah. You know what warms me up? Those Super Bowl ads, right?
Yeah.
Did you catch this?
I caught it.
Yeah, tell me about it.
He tried.
It's called a segue.
He tried.
Why don't you tell us about it?
Did you have a favorite ad?
I did.
We all did, right?
I did, absolutely.
Well, we're going to be showing some of those ads coming up. What our favorites were, what your favorites were, and coming up
I'm just dying to tell you mine.
I know, I can't wait to tell you mine too. And coming up, we'll take a look at the nation's top picks as well.
And fresh off the halftime show, Beyonce launches a new mission. Wow, that's all I can say about that show. We'll show you who she hopes to help, actually, with the mission.
And a dramatic rescue. A father and son trapped inside a truck dangling over the side of a bridge.